Jogging, walking, and running are all forms of physical activity that vary in terms of intensity and speed. 1. Walking. Walking is a low-intensity activity where one foot is always on the ground. It is a natural and easy way to exercise and can be done at a leisurely pace. It's great for beginners or those looking for a low-impact workout. 2. Jogging. Jogging is a moderate-intensity activity that involves a combination of walking and running. During jogging, both feet are off the ground for a brief moment, but the pace is slower than running. It provides a cardiovascular workout and is often used for endurance training. 3. Running. Running is a high-intensity activity where both feet are off the ground simultaneously. It is faster and requires more effort than jogging. Running is excellent for improving cardiovascular fitness, building endurance, and burning calories quickly. The key differences are in speed and impact on the body. Walking is the slowest and lowest impact, jogging is moderate in both speed and impact, and running is the fastest and highest impact activity among the three. The choice between them depends on your fitness level, goals, and physical condition.